Hassan says, what's the ruling on a woman performing wudu, performing sujood at tilawah while she's reciting Quran, but she's not in hijab? This is a frequently asked question. We have two types of prostrations that are possible to be performed outside the salat. And this is prostration of prostration of gratitude and prostration of recitation of the Quran. So usually people recite the Quran, or they recite it from memory, and they pass by a verse that has a sajda in it. Like for example, at the end of Surah An-Najm, فَاسْجُدُوا لِلَّهِ وَاعْبُدُوا. The sunnah is to say Allahu Akbar and prostrate, saying Subhana Rabbiyal A'la 3 times, and then you rise up from it. Now, the question is, if a woman was reciting the Quran and she was not covering her head, can she offer it or not? And I'll add 2 things from my side. Number 1, if she wasn't covering her head, is that okay? If she was wearing revealing clothes, is that okay? If a man was wearing shorts, can he offer prostration? Number 2, if a person was not in the state of purity, he was not in wudu. Number 3, if a person was not in the direction of the Qiblah, can he prostrate to another direction other than the Qiblah? So these 3 things usually confuse people, because when I'm prostrating, am I praying or not? Well, technically speaking, prayer is inaugurated by takbir, Allahu Akbar, included by salam, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. And in between, specific phrases and actions are performed with the intention of prayer. So is the prostration of recitation a prayer or not? The answer is no, it is not a prayer. Hence, you do not require to face the Qibla, you do not require to be in the state of wudu, and you do not require to cover your awrah. So to answer your question, Hassan, it is permissible for a woman to prostrate for the tilawah, even if she's not wearing the hijab. The third and last question from